Hi, I'm Marie Solid. I'm the branch manager of the Poe Library on Sullivan's Island, and today we're going to be folding an origami crane, which is probably the most iconic piece of origami in the world. So origami is the art of folding paper. Ori is fold, kami is paper. I bought traditional origami paper, which is printed differently. A lot of times it's a solid color on one side and white on the back, or in this case, a printed pattern on one side and a solid color on the back. If you don't have square paper, you can fold your rectangle over in a triangle and then trim off the excess and end up with a square. So first we're gonna fold one corner up to the other, making a triangle. And I'm going to open it up and do it again the other way. Origami is all about precision, so take your time and line things up. Now I'm going to fold it in half sideways and open it up and do it again the other way. I am basically pre-folding where my more complicated folds are going to go, so I don't crumple up my paper. And now redo the triangle and then fold it in half again. And now I'm going to open up that side and flatten it into a diamond shape. I'm going to flip it over and repeat that on the other side. And it folds easily because I've already made the creases there. Next thing I'm going to do is on the end that opens, point that down towards you, and then fold the sides to the center line. First on one side, like that. And you're going to flip it over and do the exact same thing on the other side. Once again, we are folding, pre-folding and creasing things. Okay. Next, you open this up, and then you're going to bring that up and fold it on those lines that you folded before. I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing to the other side. These will become the wings, and these will become the tail and the head. So down here they're separated, and you're going to fold this over to the center line one more time on both sides. And flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So you're opening this up, folding that up sandwiching it, and then doing the same on the other side. And then one side you fold back down, and that becomes the head and the tail, and you open it up, and you have a crane. There are two other ways to finish this bird. Instead of flipping one side up to form the tail, you can leave it pointed down and make a fold this way so that it's standing on one leg, as cranes do. Or, when you're at this stage, you can skip, making it a skinnier fold. Skip this part and just fold the tail and head up like that. And if you do that, your bird will flap its wings.